Only 1% of people can spot what's missing in these pictures. Think you've got what it takes? Let's find out. First up, check out this Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Gorgeous, right? Can you tell what's missing? If you said D, you've got eyes sharper than a hawk. Smash that like button. Next one, this Cardinal bird. Looks kind of weird, doesn't it? Something's definitely missing here. If you picked C, you're lightning fast. Hit that subscribe button, you legend. Last one, the Lilac-breasted Roller. Beautiful bird. But something's not right. Look closely. What's missing? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see who's got the sharpest eyes out there.